Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the RedmineUP People plugin on Bitnami Redmine virtual image. So in our case, I'm going to use the VirtualBox as a software for virtualization. However, you are free to use any other software that you like. It could be VMware or any other. Alright, so we now start our Bitnami Redmine 5.1.1, that is the latest stable version by now. Okay, we wait a little bit for the virtual machine to start. Okay, we are now in. So we use the following credentials for login. So it is user Bitnami and password Bitnami. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so we see now that the Redmine application is located onto IP address this one. So if you'd like to double check if this is correct, you can use the command hostname I, and it is confirmed that it is indeed located into this address. So let's go and check if this is actually right. So we enter this address into our browser and just wait for Redmine to start. It will take some time. For example, it could be 20 or 30 seconds depending on our, yours, hardware configuration. But in my case it is probably 20 or 30 seconds. Okay, so we are now logged in into our Redmine. Just to say that I'm using the default username and password for accessing the front end of our Redmine. So it is stated here. So this is the default username, that is user, and the default password is this one. You can change it, of course, anytime afterward, but for my testing purposes now, I'm just using the default user and password, so it will be easier for you to just understand. Okay, so now I'm going to administration and then information, and here we see that a couple of plugins are already installed, and at the end of this video we are going to have the Redmine People plugin installed here. Okay, so let's go back to our command line. Now we move to folder op Bitnami Redmine and then plugins. And now when we list the plugins, we see that the already installed plugins are now here. Okay, to get the People plugin, I'm going to use the wget command. So there will be a link here for downloading the plugin directly into the plugins folder. But you can use another way, or if you like, you can go to machine and then file manager, and here you will see the host, or this is your computer, and on the right this is the guest, so this is the virtual machine, the Bitnami Redmine. So if you'd like, you can log in here and the guest machine will be logged here, and then you can just copy paste the file between the two machines via these arrows here. So this is another way, or also you can use any other way of file sharing that you like. It is up to you. In my case, just I'm going to use the wget. Okay. Okay, so I just pasted the link here, so it is wget, and the link that is pointing to the latest People plugin, that is version 1.6.6. Alright, so I click enter, and it is successfully downloaded. If you'd like to check, then we'll list again. And here it is. This is our archive with the People plugin. Okay, so we unzip it with the unzip command, Okay, and we'll remove the archive because we are no longer needing it. All right, so when we list again, we see that the people plugin is here, the people plugin folder. Okay, so now we return back one directory back. So we are now into the core Redmine folder, and okay, so we're in bundle install here. This is going to install all the needed gems for the people plugin to be able to work. Alright, and the next command that we have to do is the migration command. It is bundle exec rake Redmine plugins. The name of the plugin is Redmine People in our case, and the production is the environment. Okay, so we wait a little bit. And we see that these rows here are showing us that the migration of the database is successfully done. Okay, so this is the migration. And the last command that is also very important is to just restart everything. So it is sudo op bitnami control script restart. Okay, other option that you could do is to just power off your virtual machine and power on again. So this is also counted as a restart. However, with this command it is a bit faster. Right now we'll return back to our Redmine and refresh the page to see what is happening. If we are done our job, good. So we have to wait a couple of seconds for Redmine to start. Okay, and the people plugin has just appeared here. We have successfully installed people plugin of RedmineUP on Bitnami Redmine 5.1 stable virtual image. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like it, you could check others, videos and articles from RedmineUP. Bye bye.